discover 15 new construction tools. Under $100 that deliver professional performance without breaking the bank. From innovative measuring gadgets to durable hand tools, these affordable finds bring efficiency, precision, and durability to every job site. Whether you're a contractor, DIY builder, or weekend renovator, these budget-friendly tools on Amazon prove that top-quality construction gear doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. Upgrade your toolkit today. RawlDISPENSER. The RawlDISPENSER, model RPCG-18S-BS600, is an 18-volt cordless, battery-powered dispenser gun designed for precise and efficient application of Rawl Plug RKEX 2 pure epoxy chemical anchors. Built for heavy-duty fixing in concrete, such as securing steel structures, handrails, and rebar, it delivers an impressive 8 kilopascals of dispensing force. The tool features 6-speed control for accuracy, an LED work light, and a robust steel cartridge holder for secure operation. Its ergonomic 2-component handle and balanced design minimize fatigue during prolonged use. Compatible with 385 milliliters and 600 milliliters cartridges, the RawlDISPENSER is part of the Rawl Plug 18-volt system, offering flexibility across multiple cordless tools. NX 2.0. The NX 2.0 can refer to several innovative products across different industries. The Obsidian control systems. NX2 is a compact professional lighting console featuring a 15.6-inch touchscreen, Intel hexa-core processor, and 64 DMX universes for live event control. The Nail Extractor 2.0 NG is a battery-powered roofing tool that efficiently removes nails using a durable steel and aluminum build. The Lexus NX 200T NX 2.0 is a luxury SUV with a 2.0-litre turbocharged engine producing 235 horsepower. Other mentions include the Next NX2 electric motorcycle, Current Lighting NX controller, VOR2, and Siemens NX XKD software. Schluter KERDI-LINE-A adapter. The Schluter KERDI-LINE-A adapter is a specialized kit designed to upgrade traditional clamping ring shower drains into modern, waterproof linear drain systems. Ideal for renovations where removing the existing drain is impractical. This adapter provides a seamless connection between old and new systems. It includes a perforated stainless steel adapter ring with an integrated rubber gasket, KERDI Fix sealant for watertight bonding, and precise compatibility with common drain flanges. Easy to install, it supports both mortar base and Schluter shower, LT-LTS tray systems, making it perfect for curbless, linear drain showers that accommodate large format tiles and modern bathroom aesthetics. SlimFort Facade Insulation. SlimFort Facade Insulation by Bewi Isobau is a high-performance exterior wall insulation system designed to deliver excellent thermal efficiency with a minimal profile. Made from expanded polystyrene, EPS, SlimFort provides strong insulation with low thermal conductivity while keeping walls slim and lightweight. The ventilated cavity design enhances moisture control and durability, ensuring a long-lasting facade. Its vapor-open structure allows walls to breathe, preventing condensation. SlimFort supports various finishes such as cladding, plaster, or wood, and offers quick installation. BEWI Isobau's online SlimFort tool helps users calculate RC values, generate material lists, and request quotes for streamlined project planning. Schöck Tronsole. The Schöck Tronsole is an innovative system of prefabricated components designed to acoustically decouple staircases from the surrounding building structure. It effectively prevents the transmission of impact and airborne sound, enhancing comfort in multi-story buildings. Each Tronsole type, such as B, L, Q, T, and F, is engineered for specific connections between stairs, landings, and walls, ensuring optimal sound insulation and structural integrity. The system's blue line of insulation eliminates acoustic bridges while maintaining load-bearing capacity and fire resistance up to R120. Easy to install, maintenance-free, and architecturally versatile, Schöck Tronsole ensures quiet, safe, and durable stair constructions. SubZero MAXX-Force. The SubZero MAXX-Force series by Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation offers a premium line of snow and ice removal tools engineered for maximum performance. Designed to tackle extreme winter conditions, the lineup includes extendable snow brooms and handheld ice scrapers. The MAXX-Force crossover and glacier models feature pivoting broom heads, telescoping handles, and MAXX-Force offset chippers that easily cut through thick ice. For smaller jobs, the 10 and 11-inch handheld scrapers include flex blades that conform to curved glass and ergonomic rubberized grips. With patented chipper technology and durable construction, SubZero MAXX-Force tools deliver superior efficiency and reliability for winter vehicle maintenance. GARDENA 3-in-1 Patio Cleaner. The GARDENA Combi System 3-in-1 Patio Cleaner, product number 3608-20, is a versatile and eco-friendly tool designed for cleaning patios, driveways, and paving joints without using chemicals. Its innovative 3-in-1 head includes a narrow stainless steel blade for tight cracks, a triangular bow for wider joints, and a metal brush for sweeping debris and moss. Compatible with all GARDENA Combi System handles, it provides ergonomic and flexible use. Built from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting durability. With replaceable parts and a 25-year warranty, the GARDENA 3-in-1 Patio Cleaner is an efficient, sustainable, and dependable solution for outdoor maintenance. Holstery Modular Tool Belt Panel. The Holstery Lowboy Modular Tool Belt Panel is a compact, ergonomic solution for maximizing tool belt efficiency and accessibility. Designed to hang below your main belt, it positions tools in the natural sweet spot for quick, comfortable access, ideal even when wearing heavy jackets. Available in single-wide and double-wide versions, it supports multiple Holstery holsters for customizable loadouts. The panel features a durable steel clip on a milled aluminum backer for fast attachment, a lightweight composite body, and breathable spacer mesh for comfort. Built tough and proudly made in the USA, it enhances productivity and comfort for professionals year-round. Slater's Ripper. The Slater's Ripper can refer to either a professional roofing tool or a line of fishing lures. The roofing version, like the Roughneck or Spear & Jackson Slater's Ripper, is a heavy-duty tool made from forged or hardened steel with a hooked end designed to remove slate tiles by shearing the nails beneath them. Its long, thin blade reaches deep under overlapping slates without damage. The fishing version, founded by Doug Slater in 1975, includes hand-tied jigs and lures known for crappie, walleye, and pike fishing. Slater's original jigs feature chenille bodies, kip tails, and high-quality treble hooks. Malco S-GA Siding Gauge. The Malco S-GA Adjustable Siding Gauge is an award-winning tool designed to make fibre cement and engineered wood lap siding installation easier and more efficient. It allows for true one-person operation by securely clamping the next course of siding in place for accurate nailing. With adjustable reveals from 4 to 8 inches and a clamping range of 5/16 to 5/8 inch, it fits most siding materials. Non-marring pads protect pre-finished surfaces, while its lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability. The ergonomic grip provides comfort during extended use, and the tool guarantees consistent level results for professional quality siding installation every time. Universal Punch Up. The Universal Punch Up or Universal Punch Down tool is a versatile device used across multiple fields, including telecommunications, irrigation, and metal or paper fabrication. In networking, it's used to seat and trim wires into IDC blocks, ensuring secure connections for Ethernet or telephone lines. In irrigation, models like the Almagor Universal Punch UP3 create clean holes in PE tubing for drippers or emitters, featuring ergonomic design and interchangeable tips. Other versions serve in metalworking or document binding, proving the universal punch-up concept truly applies across industries, wherever precision hole punching and reliable connections are required. Skil 4600 Combisaw. The Skil 4600 Combisaw is a versatile 2-in-1 corded power tool that combines the functionality of a jigsaw and a reciprocating saw. With a simple click and slide handle mechanism, users can quickly switch between precise curved cuts and rough demolition cuts. Powered by a 400-watt motor delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute, it offers solid performance for light-duty DIY tasks. The dual blade holder accepts both jigsaw and reciprocating saw blades, enhancing versatility. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it provides easy one-handed operation. Though vibration can be an issue, the Skil 4600 remains a clever, space-saving solution for home projects. Popeeze PRO Popcorn Sealing Scraper Tool. The Popeeze PRO Popcorn Sealing Scraper Tool is a professional-grade solution for removing textured ceilings with minimal mess. Designed to connect directly to a standard shop vacuum and extension pole, it captures debris as you scrape. The upgraded Pro model features a durable metal blade that replaces the original plastic version for tougher materials. Its adjustable replaceable blades allow precision scraping along walls and can handle up to 500 square feet per blade. The vacuum-fed, bag-free system keeps cleanup simple. Ideal for unpainted popcorn ceilings, the Popeeze PRO delivers cleaner, faster and more efficient ceiling texture removal. ARES 3-piece indexing pry bar set. The ARES 3-piece indexing pry bar set, model number 70184, is a professional-grade toolkit designed for mechanics, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who need precision and leverage in tight spaces. The set includes 8-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch pry bars with 11-position indexing heads that lock up to 180 degrees for maximum versatility. Made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel with a manganese phosphate finish, these bars resist rust and wear. The ergonomic thermoplastic rubber TPR handles provide comfort and a secure grip during heavy use. Stored in a durable case, this set meets ANSI standards and includes a limited lifetime warranty. Meite Manual Carton Closing Stapler. The Meite Manual Carton Closing Stapler is a durable hand-operated tool designed for sealing corrugated boxes efficiently without the need for compressed air. Popular models like the Meite HB 3515 and HB 3518 feature robust aluminum or magnesium construction, making them lightweight yet long-lasting. They include adjustable depth and closure control, allowing precise stapling on single to triple-walled boxes. With a large magazine capacity of up to 100 staples and an ergonomic non-slip handle, it ensures comfort and efficiency. Compatible with 16-gauge 1 3/8 inch crown staples, it's ideal for packaging in warehouses, small businesses, and areas without access to power or air compressors.